Welcome to the world of mind mapping, your visual superpower for organizing thoughts and sparking creativity. Discover how this tool enhances problem solving and encourages exploration. Let's dive into the benefits and unleash your brain's full potential. Mind maps mirror our brain's natural way of connecting ideas, accelerating idea generation. They're excellent for collaboration, making them perfect for group brainstorming sessions. By visually organizing thoughts, mind maps transform a single idea into a web of possibilities, enhancing creativity and problem-solving skills. Start with a central idea, like design the ultimate study space, using an image for better recall. Branch out with key themes such as furniture, tech, and lighting. Add sub-branches for details. Use arrows and color coding to show relationships and themes. Let ideas flow freely before organizing. Mind maps are perfect for brainstorming, project planning, and taking lecture notes. They excel in solving complex problems by visualizing connections, offering a creative and flexible approach. Use them when you need to explore ideas freely and connect thoughts in innovative ways. For tasks requiring linear instructions or precise data, consider alternatives. Concept maps illustrate complex relationships, flowcharts guide processes, and cycle diagrams depict recurring events. Selecting the right tool enhances clarity and efficiency, ensuring your approach aligns with the task's demands. Let's dive into the Classroom Mind Map Challenge. Start by brainstorming solo on making school lunches exciting. Then, team up to combine maps, using colors to highlight new ideas. Finally, apply mind mapping to a real-world class project, comparing organization before and after. This exercise enhances creativity and problem-solving skills. Elevate your mind mapping skills by going digital with tools like MindMeister or XMind. Enhance your maps visually with icons, drawings, and varied fonts. To boost creativity, add an unrelated ideas branch, encouraging lateral thinking and fresh perspectives. These techniques transform your mind maps into powerful creativity and problem-solving tools. Mastering mind mapping means turning a blank page into a structured idea web. You'll articulate connections between concepts and leverage mind maps in group settings to boost collaboration and creativity. These skills are crucial for effective brainstorming and problem solving, setting the stage for your final challenge. Create a mind map for your dream career, illustrating skills, paths, and alternatives. Use the techniques learned to visualize your future. Keep exploring mind mapping for personal and academic growth. Your journey to creativity and problem solving has just begun.